What are you doing, Gianna?
Come here.
You pushing your baby around with your necklaces on, your sunglasses? Yeah, no, you're not? I think you are, though. Oh, okay. You're not. Okay. Yeah? Hi, Gianna. Hi. Oh, you have a bracelet on, too. Oh.